Are you looking a multi-purpose new construction home which you can have one roof, two separated entrance for yourself, and the other half which you can use for your investment like for rental or for your in-law? Also, a bonus for you, this property that I'm gonna show you is located in a very developing area here in Central Florida. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My nickname is RJ, your favorite incredible realtor with LPT Realty, specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. If you don't know, a quick summary of our channel: we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time a new construction VIP tour just for you, and also a new construction deal that you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and share this video to all your family and friends, especially for those who wants to live here in Central Florida and own a new construction home. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So for this model that I'm gonna tour you, this is a LAR, which is the builder, and this model called Freedom. This particular home consists of just over 2,100 square footage, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2 car garage, starting price from 376,990. Very affordable right now, and I will tell you later on why you need to jump in and get this home if you're looking a particular new construction home with in-law or a one roof with 2 separated entrance, one for the main entrance and the other entrance which you can use for investment home. So I will tell you that later, so make sure to watch this video until the end. So right now we are here in the NextGen Living, or this is gonna be your in-law suite with separated entrance. As you can see it here, we are on the separated entrance of this home. You will have 2 separated entrance for the privacy, and this particular entrance here right now is for your NextGen Living, as I mentioned before, or you can have this like a little apartment, 1 bedroom apartment here in your own home. Sounds good, right? This is gonna be your living room area. You can fit an L-shaped couch there, and also as soon as you come here, this is gonna be your mini kitchen area, and you will have this particular door, your washer and dryer. You can have a stackable washer and dryer there, and in this particular area you can have your pantry here for this particular NextGen or NextGen Living, and this is gonna be the NextGen bedroom, and this particular bedroom consists of 11 by 10. You can fit a double bed here, queen size bed, or even a king size bed, and it still fit, and you still have a good space amount in the bedroom. And here right next to it, you will have your ensuite bathroom for your NextGen Living bedroom. You will have a quartz countertop there, a single sink, toilet, and fully glass shower area, and a fully tiled shower area there too, which is a very good, a very spacious bedroom and suite bathroom, and also for this and suite mini kitchen, and also the living room space area. Very nice. And now we are back here in the main area of the property. This is gonna be your main residence, right, or main home. In this home, you will have this, in this particular area, you will have an AC here. They use a Carrier, a very good AC brand here, and this is gonna be your kitchen area. As you can see it here, you will have a good kitchen area. You will have a quartz countertop here and a deep single sink there for easy washing. I love the deep single sink, so you can wash easily. And here, this is gonna be your pantry in your main kitchen area, and then right next to it, this is gonna be your washer and dryer or laundry room, and that door towards to it is your access to 2-car garage, right? So very good, and very good plan of this home. And this little area here, you can use it as a nook area or a breakfast nook area, which are pretty good size. You can have like a 2 separated dining area. The first one was right next to the kitchen, and right here you can have this dining area as well. You can fit a 6 up to 8 chairs and a long table there for dining area. And this particular room is an extra room, or we call it den room or flex room. This is not counted as a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet, right? You can use that as an office or whatever you want to use it. So basically, if you're gonna count that room, it's gonna be counted as 5th bedroom. However, it's not a bedroom because there's no closet. Here in the living room space area, you can fit a L-shaped couch there or 2-seater couch, 3-seater couch. It will fit. And now right here, we are in the master bedroom. This master bedroom consists of 12 by 14. As you can see it here, they fit a king size bed here or a queen size. You still have a pretty big space that you can have. And this is gonna be the closet inside of this particular master and suite bedroom. You will have 2 separate closets, one for her and this is one for his. Or you can have like a sharing each other. You will have closet there that you can share, right? And here in bathroom, this is gonna be the second bathroom in the area in the property. You will have his and her sink with white quartz countertop, and once again you will have a fully tiled shower area there and your private toilet here. Very good, very nice home. And now we are heading to the rest of the bedroom. As you can see it here, you will have a very spacious home here, open concept floor plan. And here is the next bedroom, the bedroom number 4, which consists of 11 by 10. As you can see it here, the bedroom itself has a very spacious room. You can fit a queen size bed here or a king size bed, and you will have a spacious closet here on this particular room, and also a window here which will give you a ton of natural light, which is a very light. And now we are heading to the 3rd bathroom here. This is gonna be your 3rd bathroom. You will have a single sink here, white quartz countertop, and also your shower area with tub or a bathtub and a private toilet here. And here is the 4th bedroom of the home. You will have consists of 12 by 10, which is the same one on the other room, and you will have the same closet size here that you can have, and you will have a pretty spacious room here which you can fit a double bed there, or you can fit king size or a queen size bed, which you will have a plenty of space as well. And once again, here is the living space area and in your home, and we are heading to the backyard and also a covered patio. As you can see it here, you can see this covered patio. You can put a table here with 4 or 3 different chairs, and this is gonna be your backyard in this particular lot. You will have a pretty good sized backyard here. If you would like put some swimming pool, yes you can. It depends on your lot size and it depends on the swimming pool that you would like put. Right now we are heading to my favorite part, which is the point of interest. But before I start that one, I would like to tell you first is the location of this particular property. This property is located in Haines City. The community name is Hamilton Bluff. This particular community is just developing, so the price of that you see right now is really good, because imagine you are buying a home, or you are buying just one home or single family home, but if you think about it, you will have two different side or 2 different private entrance. One is your main home and the other half will be your investment home. So basically it's one apartment and a main home. So if you think about it, it's only one house, but literally you will get like a 2 house, 1 main house and 1 bedroom apartment style, right? Very good investment home. I really love this home. And now let's get back to the point of interest. Let me tell you where this property located and where are the nearest point of interest. First, I would like to talk about here is Disney World. If you like to go Disney World like myself, Disney Spring, you can do a lot in Disney World. Doesn't mean when you go to Disney World it's just all about for kids. Yes, they are for kids. However, they do a lot of activities for adults too. Like me, I go there all the time because I live not far from there. The distance of Disney World from this particular home or this community is about 24 miles, which is about 34 minutes, or I would say half an hour, more or less. It depends on the traffic. That's how far from the Disney World this particular property. Very good. I love it. Very close as well. Next one is the Posner Village. What is Posner Village? Well, Posner Village is where you can shop around, where you can see the Marshall, Target, Home Goods, and such more. So this is gonna be a big shopping area, which is about 14 miles, 25 minutes away from this particular community. Very close. And also the last one that I would like to talk about here is the hospital. This hospital hospital called Advent Health or Heart of Florida here in Davenport. This hospital has an emergency service if you need an emergency service, and also this hospital is the main hospital or one of the main hospital here in Davenport area, and this hospital is about 11 miles away, which is about 21 minutes away from this particular community. Very close. And if you want to know more about this location, about this home, you can comment your thoughts below, and also my final thoughts about this particular community as well. They are building two different swimming pools, one on the main swimming pool on the main community, and the other one will be on the west side of community. So you will have a two different swimming pool here, and also you will have a playground, walking trail, and some dog park as well. So make sure that if you want to buy or purchase a new construction home or a freedom home specifically in this particular area, I will grab it now while they are still available and affordable too. So this is the video for today. I hope you like this video. If you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home so I could see how many people who watch our video, and I appreciate your time watching our video. Once again, if you have any question, feel free to contact me to all my social media, or you can text me and I will be happy to answer all your questions. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Peace. You know what? This sun's about so bright, right? I don't know what's going on. Let me just, it's too bright, but that's it. I'm done. Bye.